Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. You might be in the middle of Call of Duty Modern Warfare, or Warzone in particular, and you might be in a PlayStation 4 party chat with your other PlayStation buddies, and your PC buddy or your Xbox buddy might want to join in on the fun with you. You think you can talk to him, right? Well, it turns out you can. Crossplay communication is a lot easier to enable than we think. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do just that, and another cool tip to make some things really fun in this game. So let's get right into it. In order to enable crossplay communication with, say like you're on a PlayStation and you're with your Xbox or PC buddies, or on another system, what you want to do, and for this example, I'll use the PlayStation 4 Pro. You're going to want to hit the options button, and you're going to want to go over to where it says account. So you want to make sure you do two things to make sure that not only can you talk to them via crossplay, but that you can actually play with them too with other consoles and PCs. So in order to do that, you want to make sure you enable crossplay, and then right under it, it says, do you want to enable or disable crossplay? You want to make sure that that's enabled. I noticed with a lot of my buddies on PlayStation, and I don't know if it's with Xbox or PC too, I noticed that sometimes they'll suddenly like drop out of the communication, and we'll all be like, why is that happening? Well, usually the solution to that issue is that you need to make sure that crossplay communication is enabled. 99% of the time that will solve the issue, because sometimes it disables by itself, but 99% of the time that solves the issue just fine. Okay, so for the fun tip, and I actually discovered this by accident, and it's actually kind of neat. If you go over to the audio menu, and you can actually go down to where it says, so this is where you adjust your voice chat volume and things like that. But one of the neatest things that they incorporated with Call of Duty Modern Warfare is the voice chat effect. So I have it on no effect right now, but you can do stealth comms or classic chatter from like old Modern Warfare, and it almost sounds like you're in like a walkie-talkie like conversation with your buddies online. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, another thing too, this crossplay communication, I just use Call of Duty as an example. But it should be able to work in other crossplay online games that are currently on the market right now. Regardless of the game that you're playing, make sure you go up to that audio menu or maybe your account menu and search for where it says crossplay communication, so that you can make sure that that feature is enabled whether you're playing with another Xbox player, PC player, or PlayStation 4 member. And that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can always stay up to date on my latest videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.